Every gamer needs a great desk to enjoy the best gaming experience. In this video, we're going to break down the best gaming desks on the market today. We'll be taking a look at gaming desks in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which gaming desk is best suited to you, keep watching. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Starting are the Ultrawide Home Dakota L-shaped desk, our choice for the best budget gaming desk. L-shaped desks are typically quite expensive, making it hard to choose the right one. For just under $100, you can pick up Ultrawide's Home Dakota desk, which features an L-shaped design for those who want to set up their gaming rig to reduce the amount of space taken up. This compact L-shaped desk includes things like cable management and bookshelves. This is great for crafting a neat and tidy gaming setup while maximizing the space in your room. Place your monitor in the center of the desk with room on either side for your speakers, or choose a particular side while leaving the other open for secondary items like stationery. The Ultrawide Home Dakota lacks many gaming-centric features found in desks like the Atlantic Gaming Desk Pro, but it's a very attractive product that doesn't come with the high price tag commonly associated with many L-shaped desks. It's great for the home or dorm room gaming setup. Are you someone that uses your laptop in bed? Whether you are watching YouTube, Netflix, or just like to get some work done while relaxing, this stand is going to be an absolute game changer. With this stand, you can use your laptop in bed, on the couch, or just about anywhere comfortably and not worry about your computer overheating or getting annoying neck cramps. It's super lightweight, so you can move it from your bed to your desk where it doubles as a standing workspace. You can make almost anywhere in your home your new standing desk location. The best part about this stand is that it doesn't cost hundreds of dollars like standing desks. I've been shocked how much I've actually been using the stand, especially considering its very affordable price point. It's the perfect item to pair with a new laptop. Be sure to take advantage of the special pricing and check the description below for a link to it. Next up list is the Atlantic Gaming Desk Pro, our pick for a great value gaming desk. If you need a gaming desk that balances size, build quality, and features at a great value price, the Atlantic Gaming Desk Pro is a good choice with a price tag under $100. It's a straightforward, functional gaming desk with a few design frills that add convenience to gaming sessions. This gaming desk features a strong steel leg construction with a carbon fiber laminated top in charcoal color. It includes a charging stand for your smartphone, tablet, or other device, plus speaker stands that can also be used to store games. The under-desk basket can store peripherals, cables, and miscellaneous items, while built-in controller stands, headset hook, and wire management system reduces clutter and keeps things organized. There's even a cup holder to keep your favorite drink within arm's reach. Dual monitor users may wish to skip this desk in favor of the Apex Elite coming up next in this video. However, the Atlantic does support monitors up to 32 inches in size. It's stacked with an excellent array of features for your items, while giving you a solid, high-quality platform to game on. Next is the Apex Desk Elite series, our choice for the best overall gaming desk. If you're looking for a very versatile gaming desk that can accommodate a wide range of setups while giving you some flexibility to stand as well as sit for gaming sessions, the Apex Desk Elite is a good option for your gaming setup, priced under $600. This desk sports a motorized steel frame that can rise from 29 to 48 inches with the push of a button. A memory controller lets you program up to 4 height presets for easy toggling. This desk can handle an enormous 225 pounds of weight, which is more than enough to accommodate several heavy gaming monitors. It's also 60 inches wide, which makes it an excellent option for Eyefinity Surround, dual monitor, or ultra-wide 32:9 gaming monitors. We would have liked to see higher grade electronics in this desk with a stronger warranty, especially for a desk of this price. Still, this adjustable desk is great for those who want a sturdy platform for their gaming setup that is also very healthy for the body. Up next we have the You Arena Gaming Desk, our pick for the best ultra-wide gaming desk. The You Arena is a truly dedicated gamer's desk from top to bottom. Priced under $300, it sports a flashy design motif with quite a few premium bells and whistles that make it great for ultra-wide, dual, or triple monitor gaming setups. The Arena features 5'3" by just under 3 feet of desktop real estate for an incredible amount of space for monitors, speakers, and gaming peripherals. It's height adjustable as well, with a cable management system to balance perfect elevation with cleanliness. It also comes with a microfiber cloth mouse pad that lays across the entire surface for extra convenience. It's also available in red, green, blue, white, and black to suit your tastes in gaming decor. Assembly is a bit complicated, and it takes 2 people to properly adjust the height, which may be problematic for some. Those looking for a more straightforward desk might choose the Apex Elite instead. The You Arena is perfect if you need a gaming desk with lots of space for more intricate and complex gaming rigs, however. Desktop space is the focus here, and it definitely shows. Finally, the SHW Electric Height Adjustable Computer Desk, our pick for a great overall gaming desk. For less than $250, you can pick up the SHW Computer Desk, which is another height adjustable desk that allows you to go from sitting to standing with no trouble, which is great for extended gameplay sessions when standing up can help your body get a little more exercise. This desk features an electric motorized system with a height adjustment controller and 4 height presets, plus an intuitive LED readout to let you keep track of height. It also comes with a wire management system for clean cabling. Made of high-grade industrial steel, this desk is great for single or dual monitor setups with a clean, straightforward surface for your keyboard and peripherals. The lift motors aren't the quietest, which makes raising and lowering a somewhat loud affair, but this is still a great desk made of high-quality materials with a strong motorized lift mechanism and a great amount of desktop real estate for your gaming setup. Perfect for small rooms, apartments, or dorms. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you liked the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.